Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A36, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So, let's start off by opening up our settings. And in here, we're looking for storage. Now, once you find it, select your SD card, which could be named either Samsung SD card if you use a Samsung one, or any other kind of random ass brand name, or it could be just named memory card or some other like undecisive name. Anyway, once you find it and click on it, you'll have the Format SD card for portable storage option visible right here. I want to also point out before I start, on my card I have basically no data, so I won't be losing anything, but obviously whatever you store on your SD card right now will be completely removed by this process. And you can see right here how much data will be removed from your card. Now that is in megabytes, or gigabytes in my case, though it's used like 2.13 megabytes, so not much value lost there. Anyway, once you click on it, it gets you a quick message. Formatted this SD card. This Samsung SD card needs to be... Okay, it doesn't need to be formatted, I just want to. So let's disregard the first paragraph, which is incorrect, and move on to the second one. Formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. So, do that if you want to. Anyway, moving on, we're going to click on OK. Now it only takes a couple seconds and voila, it's finished. So we're going to click on done, and we can go back and just not care about anything else. The card is formatted and ready to be used now. So that's about it. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.